gets me every time.
Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back. So if you are looking for a great Samsung phone which isn't super duper expensive, then my friend, today might be the day for you. Right now the best mid-ranger phone from Samsung is the Galaxy A8. I have used the Galaxy A8 for a couple of days. It's really good, beautiful design, smooth performance and a nice camera. But if it's still expensive for you, which I totally understand that it is, it's around $460, so it is expensive, then the Galaxy A6 or A6 Plus might be the phone for you. Samsung haven't revealed any pricing, but it will be priced somewhere near the Moto X4. And remember, these prices aren't official. It could be expensive or could be even cheaper. Popular leaks Taron Leaks posted some renders of the Galaxy A6. These renders are based on CAD drawings, so these are legit. We have dual cameras with a rear fingerprint scanner below it and a flashlight at the side, just like the Galaxy S9 Plus. These cameras looks a little bit uglier than the Galaxy S9, but I'm sure this will look better in the final product. We also have dual front cameras, which is totally insane. Even Galaxy S9 Plus doesn't have that. We have the headphone jack and the charging slot at the bottom. The speaker is at the right hand side above the power button. Some people like it, some don't, and I personally don't. The back can be made up of glass or it might also be metal. I can't say for sure, but I think it's metal because it's not super duper expensive like the Galaxy S9 or A8, so metal makes more sense. There is still some confusion about the naming. It could be called as Galaxy A6 and A6 Plus, or it could be called as Galaxy J8 and J8 Plus. This is confusing, and Samsung's naming scheme for budget and mid-ranger phones are already a lot confusing. The Samsung Galaxy A6 will feature 3GB of RAM, Exynos 7870 chipset with 5.6 inches display. The A6 Plus instead will have 4GB of RAM, Snapdragon 626 and a 6 inches display. The Galaxy A6 and A6 Plus will be coming in the coming months, so it's not very close to its announcement, so things might change about the phone. So yeah guys, this is the Samsung Galaxy A6 and A6 Plus. Let me know what you guys think about it and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.